Alright, so here we're going to do construct an angle bisector, and we got to start off by making an angle, and an angle is formed by two rays, but we'll just use line segments because you can do angle bisectors on all sorts of angles, even if they are just in a triangle. So now notice this point doesn't depend on any other point, so it could move around, and I'm hoping that when we do this construction um, that when I'm done, as I move my point, my angle bisector will move with it. So my first step is I'm going to make a circle, okay, that's centered at the vertex of the angle. And now I want, hopefully you can imagine the angle bisector going right through there. I'm going to take this, and these are both the radii of the same circle, so they're the same distance away. Well, if I make another circle from this point over to this point, and I probably should have put a point there first to make sure they clicked, but hopefully if I move this, that's moving with it. That means I got it on the right spot. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing going the other way from this point. So I centered a circle here through that point, and I'm going to set a circle here through this point. And once again, I can check to make sure that my circles are moving together. And now where these two circles intersect, since it was the same distance from this point to this point and from this point to that point, that's why we use this first circle. And then the next two circles show that from here to here is the same distance as from here to here, because those are both radii of the same circle. I can now draw a line, and I can add a point in here. Sometimes that makes it easier first. And I can draw a line through my vertex and where these intersect. And now, hopefully, as I bring this point in or out, that moves with it. Okay, so now I can clean up my construction by hiding the circles. I don't need those anymore, so I'm going to hit Control, and I'm going to click on the three circles, go Edit, Hide Objects, and it should still work the same. Okay, now if I get inside my circle, I might lose it, but that's alright to stay outside your original circle.